I see this commercial, man, I was like, nah, I gotta try this. Double down. KFC, big up. Man, them commercials will get you, bro. I'm gonna have to do more exercise. Oh my goodness. I'll see y'all later, man. Yep, you guys, I got it delivered. It's sealed tight and nice, so nobody can break in your bag. You're gonna see some, like, people eating your food on the way, delivering it. It's sealed tight, tight, tight. Forgot to tell. One more thing. It's a bit salty. I don't dig salt too much, but overall, let me get another bite.